Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am in Niagara Falls. Sorry for the jittery, I've been zooming away in on that sign called the Majestic Auto Wash, and that's at a Esso gas station. It's kind of neat. When I went in to get the pay for the car wash, I was looking at to see what washes they had, and because of the casinos and that here in Niagara Falls, they call it like Ace, King, and Queen or something like that, the names of the washes. So I got the Ace, which is the top wash. Really good price. It was only, I think it cost me like $12 something with taxes, and that's without a gas purchase. So for an Esso, that's a pretty good price. There's someone coming out there of the wash. I'm gonna get out and show you around the van. I think it was the last video I did. At the end you could see, I call it like racing stripes. It was like dirt stripes on the side of the van. Now that was like, what, I guess 2-3 weeks ago or something like that, and I haven't washed the van since, and there's been rain and I've gone through some more dirt and stuff, and so the van's very dirty, and those dirt stripes are still on it, but underneath the new dirt. So it's going to be a pretty good challenge for this wash. I'll get out and have a look. It does look like it's a soft cloth wash. I'm not sure what system it is, but you'll see the dirt on this is I don't know what's on there, and it's funny, you can see all the fingerprints and marks and that, because I actually had this in a garage, having a couple, I had a wheel bearing put on and changed the tires and stuff, and the mechanic and that is rubbed up against the van. Getting dirty, I guess, but yeah, it's really dirty. And like I said, this dirt's been on here for at least 2 weeks for sure. So it's caked on pretty good. It'll be a good challenge for it. So we got a wash code, 14437, and there's the address, if you're wondering. But yeah, it says right there, Ace Car Wash. That's their top wash. So we'll see how it does. Now I believe this is a pretty new property. It looks very new. Clearance 7 feet. Wow, is that close? Because they have you have to drive over top of like the gas tanks. Okay. Oh, for heaven's sakes, look at this. Tandem. Oh, look at this. Oh, I could have paid right here. I didn't know. So let's see if I can focus in on that. So yeah, that's $10.99. Yeah, it was like $12 or whatever. And really cool how they call it. So yeah, I could have paid right here, so that's good to know. I went inside. So 14437. So here is the enter code. 14437. Verifying code. Please enter wash. No talking on it at all. Oh wow, I'll see if I can get in here. Got underbody spray there. Now this one's a little different than the last one I did. This one doesn't have the tire scrubbers. There we go. Nice signage. measuring up the vehicle. What the heck is that? Oh, it's coming from behind me here. Oh, we got a leak. Look at that. There's a leak in there. There's a looks like a split in the pipe. They have tape on it. Let me. So I'm not gonna get any, I don't think I'm gonna get any water or anything. Yeah, there's a big, I was wondering what that sound was with the water. Well, I just did a tri-foam. Good coverage on that. It's the it's going to be the high pressure rinse, the water. I think that's what that hose is. That's crazy. You can hear it. Look at it shooting out of that hose. Well, so much for water pressure. Actually, there's water shooting down back there. I wonder if that's going to come this way. But look at that. It's just pouring out of that split hose. It's just constantly hitting the side of the van. I don't know what is causing that. Oh, here's like a lava. I want to really get a better view of that if I can. To show you this. What the hell are they doing now? Yeah, look at this. Oh, I'm trying to. Let me see if I can do it here. Look at it. It's hitting the side of the van. Go up, go up, go up. I don't know how much it's really affecting the performance of it though, because I'm still getting the water in that. Maybe it's just affecting some pressure. Oh, my leg is soaked. Well, I do like these systems a lot, though. Let's say they give you about about a minute and a half on the dryer time. It doesn't sound like the blowers are... Oh, maybe they are. Quiet. Lots of time on the dryers. Yeah. I'm trying to go as slow as I can. There we go. Jeez. Tons and tons of time on the dryers. That's great. Alright, let me just back up into here. I think it's going to do a good job, actually, all considered. It's kind of funny, that pipe there, the hose, that's got a split in it. Had to get out of the, hang out the window there and get a good angle of that. The things I do for my subscribers, boy, I'll tell you. Oh, wow, little disappointment. Didn't really get it all. I'm surprised. I thought those brushes would do it. Just that bottom half. Top half is clean. Not that it was that dirty in the first place. Yeah, look at even the back. Look. I am shocked. The amount of time, look at that. Now this dirt was caked on pretty good, I will say. But I find with this system, the amount of time that those brushes stay on the vehicle. Isn't that funny here? Like, look how clean it is, and then it's like, boom, the dirt. It's almost as if the brushes put more pressure here and then backed off a bit or something. Maybe because of the mirror. Maybe if I had the mirror folded in, maybe the brushes hit the mirror and then come out a little bit. That's the only thing I can think of. But then what was stopping it from cleaning here? Because again, it's clean and then dirty and then clean. Huh. Interesting. Well, you guys are gonna have to let me know what you think in the comments below. That was pretty interesting, that whole experience. I thought as soon as I saw, I was like, hearing this water blasting right away towards the back of the van. I'm thinking, where's that coming from? That's not usually how the system starts. And then I look at the side, and thankfully it was on the driver's side here, and I could see the split hose. So I thought right away, well, if all the water is shooting out of that, it's not going to get to the nozzles. I'm not going to get any water out. But when that came by, I was getting it. So I don't know, I'm a little confused by it. But obviously they tried to fix it, because you could see the red tape wrapped around it trying to hold it, but so much pressure, it just split it. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of fun when you get a little bit of a fail in there. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. I think the value and everything's great. I do like these systems. Normally they do a good job. My van was extra dirty, so do we give it a pass? Is that kind of like does it have an excuse because the van was like extra dirty and that, or should it have cleaned it anyways? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, love your feedback. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna post a picture of this right now on Instagram, so everyone that follows me on that's gonna know about this before it gets uploaded. So if you like to know before it even gets posted, then definitely follow me on Instagram. It's the best way to find out what I'm doing. So anyways, thanks everyone for the support, and be safe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye everyone.